Welcome back to Primetime Sports Monday. Garvey Maceo High School are still celebrating their third hold on the ISSA DaCosta Cup title. The game ended on a Saturday, but the party-like atmosphere continued on Monday.
When the final whistle went on Saturday inside the National Stadium, it was pandemonium amongst the Garvey Maceo team and supporters. They were seconds away from losing to McGraw High in the biggest game of the season. Trailing 1-0 with seconds to go, they dug deep in their resolve and found a goal to level the game and eventually send the match to penalties. They held their nerves to come out 5-3 victors and set off the celebrations. Those celebrations continued on Monday morning at Devotion, with the entire school population coming out to cheer on the players and the coaching staff. Head coach Lester Hibbert, still basking in the amazing feat, was at a loss for words.
This is an extraordinary feeling, Words can't express how we're feeling here today. We're just here in the stadium celebrating the part, and this victory means a lot. So we have to thank the past students and members of staff for believing in the team and trusting in the boys. And truly, today we can celebrate as a family, and there are more to come.
Hibbert is confident with the younger players coming through the system. His team will once again be a title contender next season.
Yes, for sure. We have players who can be staying here for next year, and we are really now a program. And in the program, we have good quality coaches and good quality players. These boys were semi-finalists in the under-16, so we are expecting greatness for next season.
Principal Erica Eubanks lauded the players for overcoming a difficult season.
When we started the season, we lost games. We drew games and we won some games. It was not an easy ride. It's not as if we won everything. And as Malik Robinson, one of the players, said in an interview, we weren't amongst the top 4, according to the pundits and the journalists. But God had us in the top 4. And that's a clear message. That's a clear message right there.
She had high praises for Coach Hibbert.
I must say congratulations to Lester, who took on the mantle. Now, any coach you see, not only coach, but preach, sweat, and him cry to him ball. So it's like blood, sweat, and tear. You must reap rewards. You have to.
The Cubans, as they are affectionately called, previously won the title in 2007 and 2021-2022. Garfield Jones for TVJ Sports.
Now it's